Hello and welcome, Escambia County Public Schools, to your Tech Tip in a Flash with the Information Technology Professional Learning Team. But this is no ordinary tech tip. Today, we're focusing on cybersecurity. So let's talk passwords, how you can beef them up and add layers of protection to your account. Remember, passwords should be at least 12 to 14 characters and include a combination of upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers and symbols. Think about this. Use a phrase, something that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Maybe your password hint is favorite family vacation, and your password is Alaska Trip 24, cleverly spelled, just like our example here at the bottom. Don't write your password down and leave it in easy-to-find places, like a sticky note next to your computer or taped to your laptop. Don't use the same password for all of your accounts. While this is convenient for you, you've also made it convenient for those cyber predators. Don't use common number combinations such as 1, 2, 3, 4, or names that are close to you, like a pet or a child. And never share your password with anyone. And don't send your password by email, instant message, or text. These are not secure forms of communication, and you want to keep that password out of the wrong hands. So let's talk multi-factor authentication. This is a great way to prove that you are who you say you are when you log into an account. It requires 2 or more forms of verification. It could be a password and a one-time use code. Now that code is going to be generated through an app and sent to you on your smartphone, tablet, or another device. Be on the lookout for more MFA information from the district and how we're using it to protect you and your accounts. So remember, a strong password does equal strong protection for you, your personally identifiable information, and your account. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here on the side, and fill out our content request form so we keep making those videos that are just for you, because that is a bite of tech.